Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see here, I have made this status on WhatsApp. Now, what would I do in order to hide it from certain people? Now, what you have to do is to open your settings. Once you're in settings, open the privacy. Now tap on status. Now here it will show you three options: my contacts accept, only share with. By default it's gonna be my contacts and it will show to everyone. If you want your status to be shared with everyone except a certain people, then you should tap on the second option. Now from this list you can highlight people whom you don't want to see your status. And that's it. That's how you can hide your WhatsApp status from specific contacts. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.